Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a DIY channel inspired denim jacket. So I saw this denim jacket on Nasty Girl's website for $80 and I was tempted to get it. Then again I remembered I have a ton of denim jackets sitting in my wardrobe and some pairs I got from a website. So I decided to DIY and I am excited to share with you guys how I achieved this look. You will need a denim jacket, some thread, marker, pears, some Chanel brooches, and of course a needle. Let's get started. The finished look. Added some brooches to spice things up and I am loving every bit of it. Hope you guys like it as much as I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Bye bye.